Alright guys, welcome back. This is me my first time trying to do this all in one take. I know it's been a minute since I've done a trade of the day, but yeah, let's get into it. It is Thursday, August 13th, and we had an interesting day today. So pretty much every day, the edge has been saying break and retest. Um I went through the indicator before I published it and I tried to make sure everything was working. I'm pretty sure everything is working, so we might just be have been in a break and retest environment for a while now, or there's something broken. I'm gonna go over that today, and yeah. So let's get into it. Market opened here. We opened bearish. We had this manipulation down, retesting this EMA band, um, or sorry, not EMA, SMA band. This is the indicator I use for my SMAs. 50 and 200 are the ones that I use. As you can see, we got a strong delivery off of that. Really strong bullish full body candles. We started to exhaust as we came closer to this first EM level. And as you can see from this manipulation at 5:30, usually there's some news or something like that, a lot of volatility. I put my fib tool around this leg just as a little extra added confirmation, and you can see the start of this 2 to 2.5 deviation aligns really well with this EM. So honestly, this short, if you, let's say we were looking at deep charts, we saw a lot of sell orders right here, some absorption. This could have been a really good trade, and this was about like 50 something points, low like maybe 55. So let's say you shorted here and you had like a 15-point stop, and you targeted even like right here. This would have been good for like, and then you could have left some runners to like wherever, but this would have been a good trade. But going with the break and retest that we're getting, again, I'm going to make sure that's working. I would be looking more so right here, especially at, in general, just this level. So we have that full EM, then we have that put wall. And as you can see, we get to this full EM, blow past it. We break below, or break above, sorry, come down, break below a little bit, like a little retest, and we deliver higher. Then we come to this call wall. We break above it, a strong candle close above it. Then we continue to chop, kind of retest, you could say, and then trade higher. So today was pretty clean. Out of all of these trades, I would personally say there's a lot of trades you could have done, especially because we're ranging down, like we're kind of coming back down into this range. You could have taken shorts off of this break below and this retest right here. This retest right here could have been decent for shorts, even like let's see here. Say you shorted here, your stop was at this high. Ooh, are these equal highs? I think they are. So that actually kind of would work against you targeting this low. This would have been a decent quick trade. Let's look at actually, hold up. Let's go right here. So the high here is 909. And there's definitely this probably would have been the best trade. 909, yeah. So there's an SMT right here on ES. As you can see, 909 is the high right here, and 906 is the high here. And also looking at this, let's say, right, we have this big pump up. We're trading down, and now we're trading back into this range, looking to trade down this range. We pumped up. We're coming back down, a little pump up. We're looking to continue down, like at least like 50% of this range. SMT right here, right? I'm sure there was some absorption here. These candles look like, you know, exhaustion. We're absorbing kind of large wicks, especially right here, here. This would have been a really good trade, I think. This probably would have been the best trade of the day. But like I was saying, if you put your volume profile around, this is a free tool for TradingView. If you put it around a range and then you're trading into this range, right now we're out of the value area. We come in and put our tool here. What do you notice? The value area is right next to this call wall. So we're retesting. Are we going to want to come back and rebalance this range? This is significant because it's right next to this call wall. Probably a lot of absorption here. We had that SMT. This could have been a really good indicator that, hey, we're going to move lower. And again, if you wanted to mess around and say, let's say, wait a little bit, even after this candle close, put your stops at this high and then target. Let's just say, like, well, I guess you'd have to target this gap, would be the best target. Still, like, lower RR, but still a good trade. Again, that's like really pushing it, keeping things tight and risking a little bit more. But yeah, best trade of the day right here. I'm gonna try and get more consistent with this, and I'm also gonna do it where I'm explaining it as we'll see. But normally I do voiceovers after I record. I record like quietly. But yeah, best trade of the day. Inputs are all the same. 2.31, 2.71. Look at that, 2.31 right here. All the same inputs. So let me know if you guys want to use this indicator. Fuck my throat. You can grab it at the indicator link, which is free. Click here. YouTube video explaining it. Every morning at 6:15, it's going to tell you exactly what to put. Everything that's highlighted besides this row, so this, and this, you'll need to paste into the indicator. But everything else you don't need. Yeah, and that's it. You can find the trade of the day here. I'm gonna try and post this kind of more consistently. Maybe like 3 to 4 times a week. So that is going to be it.